Okay, I'm going to show you how to add extra cells, those for tables. Those are the little boxes that hold the pictures, and how to add captions. So I've just logged in like I normally do and gone to articles and opened one of the tours. You'd open whatever one you were needing to work on. So I'm going to scroll down here to the first table I can see just to show you. Okay, oops. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll click. So you click in there and you see across the bottom, I just clicked one time the regular mouse click. Um, you'll see that you can look at the table properties, delete the table, add a row before or add a row after. These are the two that you're going to be using. This one with the little plus on top will add columns or rows to the top. And then this one will add a row at the bottom for whichever one you need. If you realize, oh, I didn't mean to put one there, put the cursor in there, and then you're going to say delete row. And then there you go. And you'll hit save and everything like normal. Then for adding a caption, highlight the picture you want to add the caption for. And you can right mouse click once and go to image and image title. This is where you're going to add your caption. So I am just going to type test. I'm on my son's computer and it's being weird, but you would type in your title there and then you would click OK. You will not see it on this side. You'll have to hit save, and then when you go to the front side of the website, you'll be able to see it that way, and then you'll have to go back and correct it.